Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up Dolby audio on your TELEFUNKEN J501 TV. First of all, press the home button to open the main dashboard, and after that navigate to settings, then select sound, open the sound menu, and here navigate down to Dolby audio. Switch it on, but basically we cannot switch it on just in one mode. Instead we have several different presets, so you can select smart Dolby audio, you can select movie Dolby audio or music Dolby audio, or also the news Dolby audio. If you disable Dolby audio, you'll be able to enable other features of your TV separately, like dynamic bass, surround sound, and that's pretty much it. And you can also adjust the equalizer manually. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.